Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add brands in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on here on catalog and brands. Now here you're gonna see brands, so you just want to click like add a new brand. And here I'm gonna choose like name Nike, short description. I can edit Nike is company, whatever. Short description, long description, logo. You just add here your logo of a Nike. Meta title, again, you can edit as you want. Like, this is not really important. Meta description is all right. Meta keywords are not necessary. And then you just have it like enabled and no worries. Why is it important to add a brand? To add, like, because you add a brand, what will happen is that you will you can assign product to the brand, and it's important. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and good